Hi Jay, just to show you what's involved in ISPA with reference to the crest that you wanted me to do. I just wanted to run quickly through it. So basically what we've got is we've got some vectors which we can assign a different height to, and we can then create a model with a simple toolpath process. So for example, we go to modelling, we select the area that we want to put a shape to. In this case it's called test, which is like a dome, subtle dome shape in the background, and then all subsequent details and selected parts are listed here on the left hand side under components in modelling. So we can highlight the scrolls. So this is the end result. We can then put the plot path to it and simulate the machining. It's obviously quite a lot of work. I've done it with a 3mm tip cutter, and just to show you the end result. What is involved is probably doing a rough cut first, and then doing a fine cut, and maybe another fine cut after that to get to the quality. And then you, on the tight places, you might even want to go in with a hand Dremel type tool to just put in the finer detail. Sorry, it's a bit painful to watch. Right, it's nearly finished. And you can print that out now and show your customer by going to either save the image like that, or you can just go to print preview, and that's basically it on a piece of paper. So that's it. So one tool application to that. On a finished cut, on the right hand side here, you've got the tool that I've selected. I've selected a 3mm ball nose, and I've got the details of that are here in the tool library. So we've got an 8% overlap, so it's quite fine, and you don't have to, that would be your finishing sort of specification would be about 8%. But your rough cuts you would probably do at probably 30% to clear the stock, and then to run it quickly over with a 8%. You can now create that as a model and put that in your library, and then you'll be able to scale it and put it onto different pieces of work. Hope that's given you an insight into the thing. You know, obviously we've got to add text and probably fine hone it. This took me about an hour to do, probably under an hour to do. So it's quite a quick process to design. It's just a question of fiddling about and getting the layers, and probably running a test to see what sort of results, because you might get a subtle sort of change in what you get, but it's a fair likeness to what you'll get. So you can see the different levels that I've selected, and I've used a flat profile for this detail, just because of, I think that's probably what's demanded. But you could put that on a curve, either convex or concave, to get subtle differences. It would look quite classy with a curved sort of convex sort of curve to it. But that's all down to what your customer wants, really. But that's it in principle.